If the volume buttons on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus are not working, so in this video I will share with you a few methods on how to fix this issue. Now, first of all, if you have applied a hard case on your iPhone, just remove it, because sometimes your iPhone's case or back cover might interfere with the working of the buttons on your iPhone. So just remove it, then check if this fixes your issue or not. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then just clean the volume buttons of your iPhone. Now, to clean it, just use a soft cloth, then dampen one end of the cloth with a bit of alcohol, then rub the cloth around the buttons and clean the buttons, then check if this fixes your issue or not. But if your issue is still not fixed, then just restart your iPhone. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, just press the power icon, and after you see the power menu on the screen, now just slide the slider to the right side and power off your iPhone. Now just wait for a few seconds until your iPhone is completely powered off, and after that just press and hold the side button on your iPhone and power on your iPhone. And after you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. After you restart your iPhone, now just check if this fixes your issue or not. Now if your issue is still not fixed, then go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update, and from here just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. But if this also did not work, then just go back, and under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN, and tap on Reset All Settings. Now by resetting all the settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. Now after you've done that, now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with the volume buttons on your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. But in the meantime, until your iPhone is fixed, I will give you a small workaround. Now for that, just go to Settings and tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just tap on Touch. Tap on Assistive Touch, and from here just enable Assistive Touch. After you enable Assistive Touch, then tap on Single Tap and select Open Menu. Now after you do that, you will be able to use the Assistive Touch on your iPhone to increase or decrease the volume of your iPhone. Just tap on the Assistive Touch, then tap on Device, and from here you will be able to increase or decrease the volume of your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can fix the volume buttons are not working on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.